here's our two equations, and the first one has a y-intercept of 120, and the second one has a y-intercept of 200. So when we bring in our graph, the default is square graph, and we're going to change this to a rectangular grid so that we can change both the y and the x scales independently of one another. So since 120 is way off our grid, we're going to have to decrease this, or change the scale, and bring this down. So that's a little bit better for what we would like to show here. So now what we're going to do is plot the first function, and it's going to be 25 times x, which is our m, plus 120. So there's our graph. And the second function is going to be 5x, 5 times x, plus 200. And there's our graph of this situation. We can eliminate the negative values here. So when you're drawing your graph, we're not going to have any negative values here because you can't have negative months at the gym. If we're going to take a look at these on a grid, remember that we have C equals 25M plus 120 to represent club fit, and C equals 5M plus 200 to represent the cost of joining club hop. And so here's a look at what we drew in Geometry Sketchpad. And remember that months is going to be on your horizontal axis, and cost of joining the gym is going, or belonging to the gym, is going to be on your vertical axis. And so we're going to look at this a little bit differently in a second. And what I'd like to know is, when is the cost the same for both clubs? And also, when would you choose club hop, and when would you choose club fit?